Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. We're going to be talking about Myro today. Get caught up to date with everything Myro, the latest and greatest on their X page. And we're also going to do some price prediction technical analysis at the end of the video. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the end. Also tap in with me at the Money Bags Mansion Telegram down below in the description. There is a link for that. But let's start off with the X page. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You guys know the deal, right? Let's help that YouTube algorithm push out these Myro videos. You guys actually have making the YouTube analytics go crazy, and that's why I've been pushing the Myro videos out back to back, because the subscriber count, you guys are rocking with me, so I'm rocking with the Myro. You know, I got a how to buy video. You guys check that out if you guys haven't bought Myro already. I got a video on how to buy it on CFI and how to buy it on DeFi. So make sure you guys like and share that video as well. That'll help you know, new potential investors get tapped in. Make sure you guys give Myro a follow at Myro SOL. Make sure the bell notification is lit. Like that, you guys do not miss out. But let's go ahead and start at the top. We got this. We already covered this, the travelad.com. So this is huge. We got $900 towards rewards. You guys can tap in with that. We got trading in VR. So you guys already know what's good with this. We got Myro will only speed up and grow from here. I believe that Myro is a $1 billion project. We are very, very early on Myro. This is going to have, you know, the same kind of rhythm and rhyme, the same kind of tune that we're familiar with when you see, you know, crypto bros with Lambos and whatnot, because this is what this is going to produce. This is on its way to that $1 billion project. And we're going to read an article that talks about some of the other meme coins and how close Myro is on the heels of these OG veteran meme coins, and Myro being this new one on the block. So FOMO daily recap, we got Bybit official list Myro, so we got that kicking in right now. We see that test towards all-time highs, and that's why we're doing a video, to make sure that we stay on top of the prices of Myro as long as along the way as the prices continue to grow. So let's go ahead and like and retweet this. So this is all bullish stuff right here. We're on Bybit. We got big things happening. We got exchange listings after exchange listings. We got 50K next. He's talking about the holders. We're also going to do some price predictions on the CFI side of things. This is where we were at before. We see the prices pumped up. We were chilling at $200 million market cap. Now we're back up to $237 million market cap. 23,000 holders, you know, a test passing, really breaking past all-time high, doing exactly what I talked about in the last video, breaking up, pulling back down to go test all-time highs. But we can see that we did that. We got some consolidation, and we'll talk about this a little bit more in just a bit. We'll talk about it on CFI as well, what's going on over here, because we've been covering this on this channel, and that's why you guys need to like, subscribe, share these videos, so like that we can inform other people that are invested in Myro, make sure that they don't get shooken out of their position, because we're going to keep moving with this one. So Myro's volatility rises as it enters top 3 meme coins on Solana. This is going to be one of those to remember. This is one of those for the books. This is a $1 billion project. If you're bullish on Myro, leave some comments down below and let me know. Hashtag $1 billion project all day. This is one of those projects right now. So we got Myro, the meme coin built on Solana, is experiencing significant price fluctuations amid its current surge over the past 24 hours. Myro has soared as high as 26 cents with extreme growth rates recorded. These growth rates range from a gain of over 15% to a 2% drop at the time of this writing, meaning that we're pushing up, getting new holders, and kind of making new floors along the way. We could see that on the prices. We're not being shooken out that much, right? We're not really getting shooken out of our position. And we can see this support level right here being made. And there's going to be more FOMO, more, you know, people, more investors wanting to look at Myro, especially with articles coming out, this community, you know, smashing the like. I asked for the last video to get to almost 100 likes, and we're almost there. We're literally like at 80 likes. So if we could do the same thing for this video, that'll make YouTube push these videos out, let people know that we're one of the top 3 meme coins on Solana right now. And we're going to keep rocking these charts. So the unique Myro milestone. So the growth of Myros is hinged on the broader positive outlook of Solana's protocol, which has contributed to the heightened embrace of the meme coin. Since the third quarter of 2023, the bunk reignited its uptrend. Many alternative meme coins have entered the Solana ecosystem with notably wide price swings. We talked about that on the last video, right? Not the how to buy video, the price prediction video that I did before, where I said we were going to come test these all-time highs, which we're doing right now. And I talked about this right here, the pressure of the legalities behind SBF. This is what this is saying. If you read in between the lines in this little paragraph right here, is now there's this, okay, Solana's all right, and people can start to interact with Solana because, let's just be real, there was all that stuff going on with SBF and whatnot. So let's go ahead and continue. We got the token was one of the meme coins that made its emergence on Solana last year, and with the initial hype, it became an instant sensation as it was created to mimic the name of the dog of Solana co-founder Raj. That is exactly how these things work. This is how this meme era works. And I think I'm going to make a video. Let me know if you guys think that we should, where, you know, I think meme coins are the altcoins of alts, right? We have the, you got Bitcoin, you got Ethereum, and you got, you know, you got Bitcoin, and then you have the alts. But I think meme coins are the alts of the altcoins and stuff. So from a low of under 1 penny attained back in November on the 14th, 2023, Myro has soared by more than 1100% to its all-time high of 26 cents. We've seen some higher all-time highs now on some of these charts. You know, we're rocking all the way up to, look at this, the wick was all the way up to 32 cents on the DeFi side of things. So pretty amazing right here. We got the wick going all the way up to 26 cents on CeFi. So this is pretty epic. So we can see that we're going to keep pushing. About 2 hours before the time of this writing, we're still pushing on these all-time highs, and we're going to keep pushing on them. With the impressive rally printed thus far, Myro has now grown to become the 5th largest meme coin. That is huge right there by 24-hour volume. That is tremendous right there. The 5th largest meme coin. That says a lot. And you know, it's going against Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Bonk, Dog with Hat. So the whiff one. And let me know if you guys want to see videos on other projects or what you guys are bullish on. I'm really bullish on Myro. I'm bullish on this community that you guys have been pulling up to this. So this is the Solana token that I'm bullish on this channel, and we're going to keep pushing this one hard. So the social mentions of Myro has also grown remarkably. That's that community that I'm talking about right now. Seeing it is now trending on X. It is worth noting that only Bonk and Dog with Hat are more capitalized than Myro at the moment. Seeing other performing meme coins the last years, including Analysos, I haven't heard of that one, have given up their gains, meaning, you know, they pulled back already. But Myro, I don't believe that that's going to happen. This is something that we also talked about in the last video, and then we'll get to the price prediction, some technical analysis, and some things that we can expect. The growth and renewed frenzy in the Myro might be subtly linked to the announce of Solana's mobile upgrade. From last year's president securing a Solana mobile phone may entitle holders to airdrops from the project building in the ecosystem. Already more than 30,000 pre-orders have been recorded in the last 24 hours. I don't think that that's what's going on here. I think that, yeah, there's probably some of that being priced in subtle. You know, I have to try to go back to it, but nonetheless, like, I do believe that they're gonna get a part of it is gonna create some hype. But I think that Myro has already been working behind the scenes. This community was already being built before this Solana phone. Do I think it's gonna add to the overall hype of Myro and overall exposure? Most definitely, I do believe that. But I think I don't want to take away what this community has put in and the efforts of the team, and, you know, the mods, the admins, the community inside the TG, and staying as active as they have, because a lot of it has to do with that. These airdrops are particularly of interest to the meme coin farmers, hence giving Myro its unique acclaim overnight. I think it has to do more with you know, the hidden mile, right? A lot of people don't get a lot of credit for the hidden mile. So on CeFi, these are the prices we're looking at. We already seen that we broke past that, was a false breakout. We still need to get right above that price at 25.5, or that, you know, yeah, 25 cents. And that's the halfway point, and hold the support level above that. But we see that we got a strong support already. We see that this community is growing. We see the wallet holders coming in. It's not always going to be picture perfect. The wicks are going to get a little crazy. It is crypto, and it is volatile, and that's why this is not financial advice. But we can see that prior resistance are becoming future supports, right? We can see that happening there. We're holding on to this at this point right here. And the same thing has to happen as far as we go in this zone right here. You know, all this section where we got rejected, we need to break above that. But this is a $1 billion project all day. This is good to practice, to keep data of what we got going on with Myro on this journey, and we can, you know, document it. But this is going to keep growing and keep going higher and higher and higher. But right now, let's look at, we can go chase, you know, that 30 cents mark and activate some of that FOMO. But we're looking right here at that mark right above that 25 cents and a half. And we talk about that on the channel all the time, you know, $1, $1.50, $2. These are those psychological barriers. So we're going to be looking to get inside the small channel, hold inside this channel, consolidate, let people recognize that this community is not being shaken. We're not going anywhere. And then breaking above that 25 zone to go ahead and push towards that 30 cents area. And that's what we're going to be looking at. Basically chasing up to that $300 million market cap. That's where we're going to be looking to get to. We see that we're at $243 million market cap. We got 23,000 holders and steadily growing. We talked about this on the channel on the last video, breaking above here, coming back down, going to test, and we had that. We went up, we broke past this resistance, because this is where we were at in the video, this resistance, this support, and now we made another support right here, and then we took off, right? We held on, and same thing has to happen on this side. Support, letting people know that we're not going underneath this price. More people see that this is the floor. We push right back up, and people get bullish on that, and then we break above that. And we're gonna be talking about the same zones. That $300 million market cap, that 30 cents zone is gonna be exactly what we're gonna be looking for when we're talking about Myro and this next objective for us. So give or take right up in that zone right there. So let's go ahead and zoom in. So we talked about this in the last video. We broke up, we came now. And now we're going to go back to go test this. We can see the price is pushing up right now. We got some consolidation, and we're trying to get broken out. And we know that prior resistance, right? And I know I repeat that, but this is something that eventually when you see this, you can understand that you won't get shooken out as much. And we need to make this a future support, getting above this, right? So getting above this next zone and pushing with, you know, created hype with this community, we can keep going, making this prior resistance become a support, letting people recognize that we're not going nowhere, we're not being shaken, and Myro is going to keep climbing, and we push up to that $300 million market cap, and FOMO is about to light up. And we see that Myro's handling this even when market conditions are maybe not the greatest after post ETF announced and, you know, everything going live, not going as everybody planned. We see Myro still holding strong. We see it still growing, and that is because of the community and the system that we have. So you can only imagine once the market starts to pick back up, and that exposure to that Bitcoin ETF is going to bring more people to the DeFi space, more eyes, more potential for Myro to grow and chase that $1 billion market cap, which I do believe it's going to hit. I don't think it's going to slow down until this community sees that $1 billion project. We know what these things look like, and this is one of them right now. Shout out to this community for rocking with me. Join me in the TG down below, the Money Bags Mansion, and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.